Pegasus Red against Pegasus Gold. It's easy to say that. And same will be in the Hyperstrike Battle Stadium, so let's get this started in night vision. So now let's get round 1 started. So as we can see, the yellow Pegasus and now the red Pegasus, they're both chasing off against each other. As you can see right here now. Okay. Wait for it. Okay, now red! Yellow and red! Okay, so our winner is the gold Pegasus. So now round 2. So now we can see the red Pegasus is now circling. And now we got the Recolour gold Pegasus. And now we can see gold. Now red. The gold wins with the score of 2-0. So now round 3. So now round 3. There we go. Whoa, pretty awesome! Now, will the gold win again? And the winner is the red Pegasus! The score's now 2-1, so now round 4. Okay, this one, sorry. Okay, you can't see the lights too much, but it's pretty awesome though. Our winner is the gold Pegasus. So, the score's now 3-1, so just remember, the score's 3-1, this has 3, this one has 1. Okay, so one more round for the fans. Okay, as you're gonna see, well, this is pretty awesome. So, our winner is the red Pegasus, red and blue Pegasus, gold and black, or however it goes. So anyways, this one still won, and of course the red and blue had pretty much lost. So this is a pretty strong Beyblade. Either the lights are more flashier than this one, or they're just pretty much stronger. So, just remember for our next match, which will be El Drago and El Drago. Then after Pegasus, El Drago, Pegasus, you get the point anyways. So please make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share it. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.